Greetings, greetings, greetings. Welcome or welcome back if this is not your first time to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now we're doing a series on the teachings of Jesus. So if you want to learn more, just follow me. And if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just help them out by clicking the like button, leaving a comment below, and of course sharing this video with as many of your friends as you can. And if you haven't done it yet, then I'm inviting you now to click the subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell so that you would be notified every time a new video is posted on this channel. 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Today I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 16 from verse 24 to verse 28. Then Jesus said to all him follower them, say, if somebody want to turn one of my follower them have to forget about what them want. Take up them cross and follow me. Somebody will want to save them life, I go lose it. But anybody will lose them life, sake of me, them a go get to find them life. Cause what good it a go do, somebody, if they get the whole world, but then lose them life? And what somebody can give to get back their life? Cause the man where God pick, a go come with him angel them, and him a go have power we come from him father. Him a go give everybody where them forget base pan the sitting them where them do. Me a tell you this, and a true me attack. Some uno will turn up yourself, now go dead before uno see the man where God pick a come rule as king. A God what this? Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.